whenever if I have seen the schedule of Vijaya ma'am. So if on 6th March we had our first lecture, so I tried to read the study text, then I read the Eduyush material, the workbooks, technical articles, as much as possible you have to do it. And before the lecture, when you have the weekly quizzes, I would attempt the quizzes 2 to 3 times, because it would give me the idea what is the level of my preparation and what are my weaknesses. So when during the live lectures, I could ask Vijaya ma'am whatever doubts I have, and after the lectures, I would attempt the quizzes again on the Sundays. So I could analyze that, okay, initially my score was not that well, but after clearing all that doubts, my score improved. At the same time, I had this habit of preparing notes. So whatever material I've gone through, I would prepare the notes of it for my last day revision, and also bookmark the pages or the highlighted the important definitions which I need to revise on the last day.